Hey, so in this video I will show you how to add a custom field on an item line of a purchase order. So the first thing I will do is go in customization, list records and fields, transaction line fields, new. So here that's the custom field form. You might be familiar with it. If not, maybe I'll make another video if there's some demand. And then I'll give it a label. I'll just call it test video, so it's easily recognizable. I'll make it a free-form text to be easy, and then here in applies to, I will choose purchase item. Then I just click save. Perfect. So now I created it. It's at the bottom. So it's the number 10. Here you can see number 10. Now I'm gonna go in transactions, purchases, enter purchase order, list. I make a new transaction. And if I go down in the items, so that's an item line, and if I scroll to the right, you can see test video. And that's how you add the custom field. Thank you, bye-bye.